This drink is a holistic form of treatment which has been used since ancient times, presents us with a simple approach to weight loss that's easy to follow and extremely effective. If you're one of those struggling to slim down and get rid of that unhealthy belly fat, here's a natural home remedy, perhaps one of the best Ayurvedic drinks that will speed up your weight loss journey. Ginger, garlic and lemon tea, a drink to lose belly fat in 1 week. Ginger, garlic and lemon make a powerful combination that can help you eliminate unwanted fat from all parts of the body. This medicine is not only amazing for losing weight but also effective for treating a wide range of ailments, ranging from cold and flu to fatty liver and high cholesterol. It is claimed that by consuming the combination of these 3 powerful fat-burning ingredients, you can lose a significant amount of weight in very little time. A 2011 study, published in Oxford Journal of Nutrition, showed garlic may help with fat burning. Allicin, an amino acid in garlic, has been linked to several health benefits, including lowered blood sugar and cholesterol levels. How to make and consume ginger, garlic and lemon tea. Making ginger, garlic and lemon tea is very simple. Take about 4 cloves of garlic and a small piece of gyner, almost double amount of garlic. Just make a fine paste of these ingredients. Now, take 2 glasses of water in a teapot and bring it to a boil. Add ginger and garlic paste to your boiling water. Let it boil for a few minutes, say about 5 minutes. Turn off the heat, place the lid on the pot and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Strain the tea into a mug, and then add 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice to it. You can add a dash of honey for taste, but this is optional. Your fat cutter drink is now ready to be consumed. For best results, try to drink this concoction water on a regular basis thrice a day.